We're now going to do some TMJ trigger points. Place your fingers in the zygomatic arch and have your client clench their teeth. You'll then feel the tissues firing up, and when you do and where you do, place your fingers on these areas. Apply pressure for around up to 10 seconds and then release. Then have your client repeat the process, clenching for you to locate the point, allowing you to press, then releasing the tension so you can apply pressure to the tissues, wait for 10 seconds and then release. And you're going to do this throughout the masseter down to the jawline, getting them to clench so it fires up and you can feel the trigger points. Press, hold and release. So you're going to start from the center of the face and working out towards the jaw in front of the ears. This is going to help increase the blood flow to the skin, delivering oxygen and nutrients, and help promote a healthy, radiant glow, which is visible after just one session. This reduces puffiness, especially under the eyes, clears toxins, and can improve skin tone and clarity. You're going to work your way up the face, so from the jawline, under the cheekbones, avoiding the sensitive eye area directly underneath the eye, but just working in lines all around the cheekbones to the front of the ears. And you're going to do each of these moves 6 times. And then when you have done all the jawline and the cheeks, you can then do it on the forehead as well. You're then going to use your mini wooden rollers on the face. And these can go in all directions, up and down, back and forth, chasing each other. You can go directly over the lips, up along the nose, all across the forehead. There isn't any area that these little rollers can't go. They're going to increase the blood flow, bringing oxygen and nutrients to the skin. They're going to reduce dullness, so promoting a healthier and brighter complexion. They help with fluid retention and puffiness and under eye bags, assisting in removing toxins and reducing inflammation. They're going to help define the jawline and the cheekbones, lift the brow area, and improve muscle tone and elasticity. They're going to help relax the tight facial muscles, especially around the jaw, the temples, on the forehead. And they're great for TMJ relief, stress, and facial fatigue.